Hey, Wangwana, it's your boy again, Jack Mkurujenzi. Now, as you all know, if you see me, there's a short story coming. I hope we itakuwa imeshika mahali. And I know for sure hamkuwa mnajua. Now, what's the story about? Wangwana, in 2016, a man by the name Bashir Mohammed, ama Mohammed Bashir, was traveling from India to Dubai. Na the guy alienda pale India akabook his flight maze, alifaa kutoka from India to Dubai. Hiyo ni around kitu kama ni 1 hour ama 2 hours mpaka Dubai pale. So akaingia pale akachukua the flight yenye ni Emirates flight EK 521 na maze, before aingie flight akabuy some free lottery ticket maze. Hiyo ni mostly I'm learning that most people when you travel upenda kubuy free lottery ticket kumi wajaribu tu luck yao, which inanga so much thing to do ama so much thing you don't expect much, no. So after kubuy this free lottery ticket akaingia kwenye ndege ikatoka juu from India ye ika crash land maze. Ili crash land tu in Dubai International Airport, like haikuwa safely. Then to make it worse ama to make it a good story ni kwamba all the 300 passengers wote wali survive the crash landing. Now the most amazing part of this story ni kwamba Bashir Mohammed, despite surviving the crash, he was able to win this lottery worth $1 million. My guy, this was the most unbelievable story part of this story. Now, if we convert it, don't know how much. That's around 129 million shillings ya Kenya. Wangwana, how is this possible? Double blessing ya God. Hey, if you want to know much about this story, please Google the story of Emirates flight EK 521. You'll see the real story. Make sure stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, man.